Hello guys, this is Desi and I'm back again for another video. In this video, I'm going to share with you one ESL teaching company who is currently hiring teachers. Actually, I have tried applying in this company, but then I submitted the link of my video introduction, and then he traced that I am already or currently employed with Chipans group. So he told me and he asked me if I am sure to leave the company, Bunny English. So that is why. So yung employer, tinanong niya ako if I am sure if I want to leave Bunny English or Chipans group, and I was a little shocked about it and surprised. And yeah, so I think he also have watched some of my tutorial videos about how to apply in Chipans group. So that's why he declined my application. But the reason why I applied in Bestone, because I wanted to try if this is a legit company, and it is a legit company. I also talked to someone who is currently working in this company, and she has like good reviews about Bestone. And so going back, and then I told him that okay, I will not continue my application, and then he asked me if I could find some teachers for his company to apply in his company, and then that's why I'm making this video. And they're still hiring, so the name is Bestone, or I was pronouncing it like Bestone last time, but actually I realized that it's Bestone. So Bestone is hiring, and the students are Chinese, so they have beginners, intermediate, and advanced. The pay is through PayPal and AUB, just like Bunny English or Chipans group. They also probably are using QR code. The schedule is from 5 p.m. till 9:50 p.m. weekdays, 8 a.m. till 9:50 p.m. weekends. So pretty much likely the same with Bunny English talaga yung schedule niya. And then 50 minutes each class. And then, first, they're looking for debating teachers. You must have debating and speech experience with extensive knowledge. So maybe you are going to like teach students but not really teach them, but probably these are like advanced students because they're gonna debate with you, and the topic will be given, or maybe you are going to be choosing a topic, a debating topic. I also have a book about debating, or like debate books. If you need some copy, I'll send it to you kung sino may kailangan dyan. And the salary is $7 per 50-minute class. Actually, debating, in one of the companies that I have worked with, I have experienced this kind of teaching. Actually, if you are not really sanay na makipag-debate, you're gonna find it really hard because you're not going to like fight or like maybe quarrel to your student, but you're going to have or to throw him or her some points about the given subject. So it's actually fun, but then there will be a tendency that you are going to be intimidated, especially if the student is so advanced na, and then they're gonna be throwing you a lot of points, and you're gonna be like fighting back with, you know, those ideas that you have in mind. And then number 2, they are going to they're finding news course teachers, journalism major preferred. So mga journalism major dyan, baka interesado kayo. Must be aware of the current news and events, must be good at talking about news in depth. You really have to be knowledgeable about what's happening. You're gonna be sharing news to them, and probably they're also going to share and talk about that news as well. So, like especially these days, like coronavirus, although I think there are some news that are going to be very like sensitive, especially coronavirus. It's also fun and interesting as well, especially if you are very much into it, very much into talking about current events. And the salary is $6.50 USD per class, 50-minute class, and then salary can be negotiable if you have an excellent teaching ability or teaching skill. And then third, writing teachers. They are also looking for writing teachers, must be familiar with KET, PET, FC, and CAE. These are English language examination provided by Cambridge Assessment English. I'm talking about the KET. And then I'm assuming that these three are also talking about English examination. And then the salary is 5.7 USD per class. So writing teachers, I think you're gonna be reviewing your students, grammar, listening, and also pronunciation there, for them to easily pass their language examinations. And then fourth, they are looking for economics teachers, and you're gonna be teaching students economics course. The salary is negotiable. It was not mentioned. So economics teachers, my economics teachers, Jan, you might be interested. And fifth is the regular class, beginners to advanced students. So maybe the books are provided, and with beginner students, they are also using time links. Wonders if you need copies of those books, I'll be giving that to you. Just leave the comment below and also your email. I'll be sending you your the links of these books. The salary, 5.5 USD per class, 50-minute class. So pretty much likely the same with Bunny English talaga. And the qualifications, you have to be available to teach between the given time schedule, neutral accent, maybe if you have American accent or British accent, it is okay. Certified teacher, so there are some tutorials as well wherein you can get free certification. You should also be knowledgeable about Chinese and Western culture, because you'll be sharing Western culture to your students as well. Majors such as journalism, literature, history, science are preferred. You should love children. Probably they're talking about your passion in teaching children, patience, and also, yes, passion for teaching in general. 3 and up years or 3+ years of online English teaching experience, familiar with Wonders time links are preferred. Mabilis silang mag-reply, especially the CEO. Lastly, the requirements: desktop, laptop with HD camera, stable internet connection, of course, quiet working environment. Send your CV along with your video or audio, self-introduction, and diploma, TFL or TESOL, to this email. Please be very careful in reading this email address. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Thank you. It was just a quick video. On my next video, I'm going to share you something more about ESL teaching. And if this video helps you, I hope you could consider to subscribe. And soon I'm going to provide you guys some free lessons about English. Hello. Oh, hi, Grace. Hi. How are you, Grace? Are you okay?
It's happy today.
Wow. Where did you go? Oh, wait, I think I can't see myself.
I can see your screen.